All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to complete your history of credit timeline using Sutori. The link to this website is on Google Classroom. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the website, sutori.com. I've already signed in, but in the upper right hand corner, there should be a button that says sign up. And you're going to log in as using your Google school email. It's going to probably ask you if you're a teacher or student, and you are just going to click student on that, and then you should be kind of to this main page. One of the things that you're going to have to do, we're going to create a timeline. What we're going to do is you're going to just go to create story, or there should be a button that says create blank right here. We're going to start from scratch, and I'm going to show you how to fill this in. The first thing that you want to do is insert your title. So for my title, I'm going to just click in here, and I'm going to type in history of credit in America, history of credit in America. And an introduction, you could put, this is a timeline that goes through the history of credit. Okay, you can make that a little bit nicer if you want. So then the next thing we're going to do up here, just to maybe make it look a little bit better, we're going to change this. So there's like a banner up here, and I'm going to just do, let's see if this will bring up anything. History of credit. I'm not sure I like any of those, so I think I'm just going to do credit and use that option. And there it is. So that's my banner. It just kind of makes it look a little bit nicer. You can move it if you need to, left click and drag, and then I'm just going to save. So those are two things that you can do right off the bat. Change the title and then change the banner on here. So now we need to go through and actually insert the timeline information. So you're going to put your mouse over this blue line and just hit plus. There's several different options, but basically what we're going to use is the text. The first thing that I'm going to do is type the date. You could, if it includes the year, month, day, and year. Sometimes you won't get that detailed, but if it does have a month and a day and a year, put that, or you could just put the year. Then you're going to hit enter, and then you're going to give a short description. Okay. So there's my first one. You are going to have to put pictures in for some of these, and you're going to have to look at your instructions. But one way you can do that is go to Add Media. If you have any pictures saved on your device, you can do it that way. I'm probably just going to use the Unsplash as much as possible. You could also, if it's for a specific event, so if I want to do a loan shark, and I'm going to go to Images, I'm just going to right click and go to copy link address, and then I can go up here where it says link, and it uploads that picture. So that's just a couple different ways that we can do that. If you don't like something that you did, you can click it and just hit the delete. You can edit the color of that. You can expand it. So you can also move this. So as you're going through and you're adding different parts of this, I'm doing a different one, you can move these around. So if you mess up, you should be able to move it around. Yep, so I can place it on that way. So look in the instructions so you can delete it for more information on how many pictures and dates you need in your timeline, but that's like a basic way that we're going to do this. When you're done, you can hit share. And we're going to do, you can upload it to Google Classroom. Well, let's not do it that way. I'm sorry. We'll just do a link. So you can just copy this and then paste it into your Google Classroom and hit submit in your private comments so I can see it. So that's how we're going to go through and submit it. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks.